Welcome to video number 5 in our Animals All Around video workshop. We're going to get into finish up our second bookmark. There'll be 5 more animals and 4 more regions of the world to locate on our continents of the world map. I thought maybe we could take a look at the globe today too in this video, because the 4 areas of the world that we're going to look at are all islands. Okay. You can see in the list here, we're going to focus on Greenland, and the animal we've chosen to highlight is the Greenland shark. Okay, then we have Iceland, and they've got the Icelandic horse. Okay, the next one is the spotted eagle ray, and we find those in tropical waters. We're going to show Bermuda. Okay, and the next 2 animals are found in Cuba. One is the bee hummingbird and also the Cuban painted snail. I did a print off of the spotted eagle ray just to show you what you can access on our website, the nice description of the animal. It's a fish that's found in, it's a member of the ray family. And you can see we've done a nice little map of Bermuda. Let's find Bermuda on the globe. Okay, there it is, right there. You can hardly see it; it's so small. If you look at the other extreme, here's the largest island in the world. It isn't a continent, Greenland. Okay, and not far from Greenland is the island of Iceland. Okay, and the last island that we're going to highlight today is Cuba, which is located in the Caribbean Sea. It's that island right there. Okay, so we'll be finding those on our continents of the world map as well. So why don't you take a second? You can stop the video if you want, and you can write Greenland, Iceland, Bermuda, and Cuba, and then you can write the animals that we're highlighting. Okay? All right, now let me flip it over to the other side. When you're ready, we can start to locate these places. Okay, the first one is Greenland, and that happens to be pretty easy to find on the map. It looks even bigger on the map because of a little bit of distortion on a flat map, but you can see it's a large island up along between the Atlantic and the Arctic Oceans. And I think I have enough room to write it straight across. I'm not going to write too big. Remember, nice and straight if you can fit it like that. It does make your map easier to read when things are kind of nice and level. All right, so that's a big island that we can continue to add a little bit of blue around that island as well. Okay, here we have Iceland. Now, I don't think I can fit it on the island. I have to really write it pretty small. So maybe I'll write it just above. Okay, and I could take this is a good one to put a little bit of blue around it like this. Same thing with Greenland. All of the islands can have a little blue around them. Make them really stand out better. I'll probably put in the names of some different seas in this area. I'll probably do that, and I'll show you in the next video. But right now we have the Arctic Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean highlighted. And then we've got, put a little blue to make it so you can see it a little better, but it's this little island right here. A little blue so it's easier to see. That island right there is Bermuda. Don't write it too big. Okay, and that's where we find the spotted eagle ray. Okay, let's now, these next two animals actually are located on one, we're showing that on Cuba. Okay, so we only have to label one more island. And Cuba, you can see I've already gone around these islands in the Caribbean with a little bit of blue. Okay, I'm not going to label all of them. I mean, later on you could label some additional ones too, so at least some of the bigger ones, but I'm just going to label Cuba, which is right, this kind of a long, narrow island. And why don't I label the Caribbean Sea? I'm going to use all capitals for that. Okay, and there we have Cuba. All right, so that was kind of an easy bookmark. Only 4 places to label, all islands. And I will take the time to go back and add some color around those islands. But definitely take the time to go to our place on our website which features every animal. Make sure you take the time to read about each animal. And you can even take a look at this smaller map that accompanies it to get a little bit more detail. All right, so that's it for this video. Okay, we got 5 animals and 4 more places on our map. Okay, we'll get the next video going. We'll do 4 more animals in the next video. Okay, thank you.